G'day curd nerds! With Christmas just around the corner, there's no better time to bring a little homemade magic to your festive table. In this video, I will show you 5 easy cheeses that anybody can make before the big day. They're simple, delicious, and guaranteed to impress. Let's dive in and discover how cheese making can add a special touch to your Christmas celebrations. Now, the first cheese I'm going to recommend is the Christmas fruitcake cheese. Christmas fruitcake cheese has a smooth, creamy queso fresco base with pieces of candied dried fruit and nuts that add a chewy contrast. The flavour is gently sweetened with caster sugar and balanced by the natural sweetness of the fruit. A touch of brandy liqueur rounds it out, giving the cheese a festive character that is rich but not overpowering. Now, you can make this cheese in a day and it's ready to eat after 2 days ripening in the fridge. The next cheese is French cream cheese. Very versatile, and French cream cheese is exceptionally smooth and spreadable, with a mixture that feels light yet indulgent. On the tongue, it delivers a gentle creaminess balanced by a subtle tang, making it refreshing rather than heavy. The flavour is delicate and slightly buttery, with a mild lactic sweetness that lingers pleasantly. It's versatile enough to pair with both sweet and savoury dishes, but it shines on its own as a simple, elegant cheese. However, I use it to make the perfect baked cheesecake, or I've also made dessert chocolate bites. Now, I find that the best ingredients always make the best food. It's ready to eat in just 3 days, perfect to making leading up to Christmas. Now, my recent favourite, Caprine Provençal, is a semi-soft goat cheese with a creamy, slightly crumbly texture that melts gently on the palate. Infused with herbs from Provence, it carries aromatic notes of thyme, rosemary, oregano, and savoury that complement the natural tang of the goat's milk. The flavour is fresh and savoury, with a subtle earthiness and a little bit of pepperiness from the peppercorns that I added, and it has a lingering herbal finish that makes it both distinctive and versatile. It's a cheese that brings the countryside of southern France to mind. Ooh la la. Perfect for pairing with baguette or a glass of crisp white wine. This delicate soft cheese is made over a few days on and off and ripens within 7 days. Perfect to make now ready for Christmas gifts. I was asked to make this cheese many times over my long home cheese making career, and it is low moisture pizza mozzarella. Now, this is by my own recipe, and it is a low moisture form of the world famous Italian pasta filata cheese. This version is typically made with cow's milk and has a firm, elastic texture that shreds easily and melts into smooth, even layers. When baked, it develops a classic stretch and golden bubbling we expect to see on a great pizza. The flavour is mild, milky, and has a gentle saltiness that enhances toppings without overpowering them. Its clean finish and consistent melt make it the perky? Ooh! Its clean finish and consistent melt make it the perfect cheese for achieving that authentic pizzeria taste at home. Made and ready to eat in 1 day, this fun-to-make cheese is extremely versatile, especially on homemade pizza bases. I got a lot of flack from not making my own pizza bases, but it was what it was. Now, a classic cheese from Cyprus, halloumi. My favourite version of this is chili halloumi, and it has the classic firm, squeaky texture that makes halloumi so satisfying to bite into. It holds its shape beautifully when grilled or pan-fried. The cheese itself is mild and salty, but the addition of chili brings a lively kick that builds gently with each mouthful. The heat doesn't overpower, instead it enhances the savoury richness of the halloumi, leaving a warm, lingering spice on the palate. It's a balanced combination of creamy, chewy and fiery flavour, perfect for serving hot off the grill or barbecue, or adding a bold twist to salads and snacks. Easily made in an afternoon and eaten pan-fried in minutes. There you have it, curd nerds. 5 easy cheeses you can make in time for Christmas. Each one brings its own flavour, texture and charm to the table, whether you're sharing them with family, gifting them to friends or enjoying them yourself. To help you make these easy and delicious cheeses, you can get the PDF recipe cards for all of them at Little Green Workshops. Link in the description down below. Cheese making doesn't have to be complicated, and these recipes prove that a little effort goes a long way in creating something truly special. So fire up your kitchen, get creative, and make this holiday season extra delicious with homemade cheese. Thanks for watching, curd nerds, and I'll see you next time.